Meet a bunch of sunflowers at Navjivan Charitable Trust. These specially able kids are much more compassionate than me and you. On 29th April, Team Jivdaya conducted an oral rehydration camp for stray animals and birds, where volunteers from Jivdaya went to Navjivan and explained to these amazing kids that how to help birds and animals in the scorching heat by simply placing a bowl of water outside their houses. See how these compassionate kids not only understood but executed the plan right at the time. These animal heroes deserve at least one like. Come and join your hands like these kids and help the stray lives in this summer. Thank you for watching this video.